Today we are going to prepare dalia upma. This is made of broken wheat. This is a very good breakfast choice for children and also for their school tiffin. This is also a very good breakfast option for diabetic patients. If you want to listen to our videos in Hindi, then please head over to our channel Pico and Flavors Kitchen. And if you like the videos of this channel, then please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notifications of all the upcoming videos. Now for preparing the upma, we will switch on the flame. We will put a kadai over the flame. In that kadai, we will add 1 cup of dalia for dry roasting it. We will first dry roast the dalia or broken wheat. It will turn nicely fragrant on dry roasting. It will change its color a bit and it will turn nicely fragrant. We will dry roast it for 5 to 6 minutes on low flame, on medium to low flame. After dry roasting it, we will transfer the dalia, dry roasted dalia into a bowl and we will keep it aside. Now in the pan, we will add 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. This dish will be prepared in ghee. We will add 1 dry red chilli to it and we will add 1 bay leaf to it. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds to it and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to it. We will also add 1 teaspoon of chana dal or split chickpeas to it and we will let all the things crackle. Now we will add 1 medium sized onion chopped to it. We will fry everything. We will fry the onion till they are translucent. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of peanuts to it and also add 1 tablespoon of cashew nut to it. We will mix everything together. Now we will add 1/4 cup of French bean to it and 1/4 cup of carrots to it. We will also add 1/4 cup of green peas to it. We will saute and mix everything together. We will coat everything with oil properly. Now we will add half teaspoon of salt to it and we will add half teaspoon of turmeric to it. Also add half tin of sugar to it, half teaspoon of sugar. We will mix and saute everything together. Now we will add 1 inch chopped ginger to it. We will mix everything together. We will fry for some time. We will sprinkle a little water so that the vegetables turn soft. We will mix everything together and fry for some time. We will now add the dry roasted dalia to it. We will mix everything together and we will fry for some time. We will keep the flame low and we will fry for some time. So we will add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to it. We will mix everything together and cook for some time. Now we will add 2 cups of water to it. For the dalia to cook, 2 cups will be sufficient. We will mix everything together. We will cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will uncover it. Our dalia is already cooked here. If your dalia is not cooked, then sprinkle some more water and cook it for some more time. Our dalia is cooked here. It's properly done. We'll transfer the dalia to a bowl now and we'll serve it. If you like the videos of our channel, please do like and share and please let us know in the comment section. Thank you very much.